Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have in a 2021 Ford Puma and I'm going to show you how to remove the front bumper. So let's get into it and I'll show you how it's done. So I am going to be removing this front bumper from this 2021 Ford Puma today because we have got to change an aircon rad which is right behind the front bumper in the rad pack. But I'm going to show you how to take the bumper off now. I've already started. So up here we have some screws, 30 Torxes and 10 mils that hold the top of the bumper in. It's quite self-explanatory. So once you've got all them out, then you want to come round to the side and we're going to take this inner wheel arch liner out. So this inner wheel arch liner, which would sit just in here like this, it has lots of these little clips, and Ford have designed these little clips here. So when they're pushed into the hole, they have a little Phillips head on the top. You half turn it and then pull them out. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 clips and 3 10 mils which run along the bottom here. Once you've got all them out, only take half of the wheel arch liner out. Because it's fabric, we can just bend it out the way like this. Now, this part here, the wheel arch, actually clips into the front bumper. So what we need to do is gently pry it away so it unclips from inside, like that. Do that on both sides, and then behind here, you can see the front bumper is just clipped in along the top. You get a little screwdriver in there, pop off the first one, and then you put your hand behind it and you give it a sharp tug, and the rest of the clips will pop off without any damage, as you can see here. And you do the same on both sides, and then we are going to go underneath. And there's little clips, push clips, all the way along underneath all these holes here. Once they're all taken out, the front bumper should be loose. So what we need to do now is pull it away from the car, and then there'll be some electrical connections. So let's do that now. So now we've got all of our clips undone on either side. What we need to then do is just remove the bonnet cable from its latch so that doesn't get caught up. Just gently pry it away from the side here. And as we move it away, we're going to have 2 fog light connections. Once your fog lights have been undone, we can now remove the bumper and go and put it somewhere safe. So now this is the vehicle without the front bumper on. These are the connections that go to the fog light. They've just got 2 pins. You just pull them out either side and then they come out. Now we have access to the front end, and I'm going to carry on and take all of this apart so we can get to the aircon rad, which is just behind here. And this one's actually got a hole in it and is leaking out. That's why we're replacing it today. Hopefully that helps somebody getting their front bumper off their Ford Puma. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.